Hi friends, I'm back again. For today, it's about a suitable boy, a book by Vikram Sheth that has been made into a six-part series by Meera Nair. This book was released in 1993 and has been occupying a proud space in my library since last 25 years. I bought it in 1995. Uh, as you see, this series is based in post-partition India, and it's about, as the title suggests, a suitable boy. It's a quest of a mother, Mrs. Mehra, to find a suitable boy for her daughter Lata Mehra. And it's about families and it's about how the interdynamics play. And in the background of it all, we have the post partition India, Hindu Muslim riots, Hindu Muslim divide, and all that put together in a six part, 1 hour each, 50 to 1 hour each series. There are the Mehras, there are the Kapoor, there is Nawab, there is Chatterjee families, and their lives entangled. It's about Lata to find a suitable boy. Lata is in love with Kabir Durrani, her college mate, but unfortunately he's a Muslim. Another suitor for her is Amit Chaudhary, who writes poems and is fairly well known from a distinguished family of Calcutta. And there is Harish Kapoor, Harish Khanna, Lata's mother is very keen that Lata chooses Harish. Harish is a shoeman who makes and designs shoes and is working for a Czech company. And he's completely besotted by Lata and would go out of his way to ensure that Lata chooses him. In the end, we get to see who Lata chooses. But go and watch this series. The star cast is exemplary. I can just rattle off the names that are who are acting in this movie. There is Tabu as Saida Bai, she plays a courtesan. Ishan Khattar as Man Kapoor. Tanya Maniktala as Lata Mehra. Rasika Duggal as Savita Mehra Kapoor, the eldest daughter of the Kapoors. There's Ram Kapoor, plays Mahesh Kapoor, a revenue minister. There is Namit Das, the Harish Khanna, the cobbler, who's one of the major suitors for Lata. There is a cameo appearances by Ranveer Shori. Amir Bashir plays the Nawab, and between all this, there are this movie though placed in post-partition could have been placed now. We see the Hindu-Muslim divide then. We see the Hindu-Muslim divide now. One of the scenes, one of the characters says कि तुम लोगों का अलग देश बन गया है अब तो वहां चले जाओ यहाँ क्या काम है and you still see people talking that nonsense. There is Raja of Mara who wants to build a Shiv temple right next to a mosque. Don't you feel that same now as well? There is Nawab, played by Amir Bashir, who talks about privy purses, the much abused privy purses, saying इतने कम है कि हमारी हवेलियां भी नहीं उससे maintain हो सकती हैं. There's another scene in the series where a Muslim person, is riding a cycle on the bridge, and a policeman stops him. तुम्हारे कागज दिखाओ, and that resonates with CA. कि हम कागज क्या दिखाएंगे अपने मुल्क के अंदर. There's another scene where the daughters, Rashika Duggal and Tanya, are talking about, they're joking with each other. I hope we don't become into our mothers. They are exasperated by their mothers, but still they are in love with her and saying कि हम बड़े होके के अपनी mothers की तरह ना बन जाएं. And that don't we see our cousins and siblings talking about that कि बड़े होके we complain about our mothers, our children complain about their mother, and we both are, I think, perfect and same shape in the same mold. There's another something that has to be deciphered by all. There's been shown an intimacy between Ishan Khattar, the Aman Kapoor, and Nawab Zada, the younger prince of the Nawab. And though you have to decipher and maybe you're reading too much, but it's the way they touch and they, in the opening episode there is a brush of a rose petal from one's shoulder. In the end, there's another brush of a rose petal from another shoulder. So you feel that kind of intimacy and relationship that they have, which nothing has been said, but you got to decipher for yourself. Everything is good. The setting, the perfect, the clothes, there's bedding room that you would see in the movies that you would have used in railway platform. Congress has that symbol of two bulls. Everything is perfect. But again, this movie made me feel of a Merchant Ivory production. Merchant Ivory production is, if you've not seen those movies, were set in the British Raj. and this movie just feels the same. OTT platforms might have progressed so much. So Meera Nair, though I'm sure she would have made this series for an English audience, but to release in India and the characters mouthing English dialogues and the kind of speaking the language they are, I feel there's a mismatch between the characters and the language. The characters would have spoken more real language, would have been better. This book is mammoth, it's more than 1000 pages and has been put together, shrunk in 6 episodes. And still, in that 6 episodes, I felt that sometimes when I wanted to fast forward, it just wasn't going anywhere. So you see, this is what I feel for the movie. I've started giving, I will be giving ratings, and I would give 2 out of 5. Okay, 2.5. Things could have been better. I just hope someone makes this book into a 13-part full series, and I have my own recommendation. I would love to see Karan Johar making this because it's perfect for his genre of movies. It's about all about loving your family. There are weddings, there are suitors, and there are different angles to the story. I'm sure it's one of the better things that you can watch on the OTT platforms. Go and watch it. I don't know if you can enjoy or not, but still go and watch it. काम क्या बचा हुआ है अभी मूवीज देखनी है बाहर सोशलाइजिंग तो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखनी है so when you stay at home go and watch it 2.5 is my rating I'm sure these are my ratings you could decide you could have your own ratings thank you